Hey, it's Paul again, owner of All Things Sewer and Drain Care. You can check us out on our website at allthingsdrain.com. We're out here today in Stafford Springs, Connecticut to do a maintenance on a sewer line for a customer. So we're going to show you what it looks like before we do it and then after. Stay tuned. This is the sewer line before we jet it. And we'll show you what it looks like when we're done. This is what the line looks like when we're done maintaining it. We didn't descale it, gave the customer the option, but of course that is a little bit more than what it is for a simple maintenance due to what's involved. As you can see, it does a great job making the rough ends smooth. Thank you for watching our video, and you can look us up at allthingsdrain.com.